Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, hold on real quick. Let's see that this was in there. Morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Tuesday, April 19th, 2022. And yeah, let's see what we got right here. So, yesterday we were able to make some profit. Not what I wanted to make. We were able to make some money here on these sales before price reversed back up and played in this range before close. But I noticed that I didn't have, one of my boys actually pointed out that this ILC that was right here. So let me just go ahead and show you on the 1 hour. Yeah, look at. So you can see this 1 hour ILC right here that had been, this is essentially what had been respected outside of this resistance to support that we had been using for a while, right? And so I didn't have the IOC set, so I was wondering why it was stopping inside between this R2S and this R2S. But price respected and rejected that a bunch of times, including last night in London in Asian session, right? So this is all Asian, London, and price essentially just rejected this area a couple more times. And I actually put in a trade and I lost. Stop loss was too tight. Should have had the stop loss above here. And yeah, just shouldn't have done it either way because it was the Asian session. Would have made money. My bias was correct, but shoulda, woulda, coulda doesn't work in this game. So one thing that I see right now is there's definitely a break of structure, right? So we had the higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. So the break of structure happened right here, right? Then we had a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low so far. But I think we could see price come back up and retest this area. I think it should fall off at this area right here. Let me actually go ahead and I'm going to draw these out right now, the EMAs. So here's the 15-minute 50 EMA. And then if we go down to the 5-minute here, and that's a 15-minute ILC in the golden zone that it rejected right here. All right. So we have this one here, which you could see support, resistance, support, resistance, right? So I think price could come back up to this zone and retest it, especially when we have the 5-minute 50 EMA right here. I think we could see it like sorry, let me just go. I don't know why I'm trying to get this shit so perfect, but so we have the 5-minute 50 EMA right here, right? So I actually do like this area to sell off from. So hopefully we get a retest. We got about 11 minutes till open. So hopefully we get it to push up right here during open. We can enter a trade and watch it come down. So the one reason I like this is price came down, created a 15-minute golden zone ILC, right? Price went up to the area, tested it, and pushed down. Now, what happened was the EMA was able to come down along with it, right? After it crossed over up here. We've seen the or I didn't see the crossover, but we can see the crossover happen here. And then price obviously needed to retrace to fill all of these IMGs right here, which it did. Now that it did, we could see right before open a retest, right? So this is a confirmation. So we have the confirmation up here to take this trade. Now that we missed it, price broke through. Now I could see it pushing back up into this R2S zone before, you know, bringing itself down here. So I think this is definitely a trade that can happen. Hopefully it does. I want to make this money back. I lost 300 bucks right here like a dumbass. So breaking my rules, not sticking to one trading session, which the New York session is the only session I trade. Trying to trade during Asian and London session never helps. So got to get that 300 back here, and hopefully we could go ahead and do that with this trade here. It's about a 30 pip stop loss and then about a 35 pip stop loss right here. So something like that. So if we take the loss right here, we'll see what price gives us up here at this point, and those will be the only two trades I'm taking for the day. But you can see price has essentially been sitting in this range this entire time. So we'll see what it gives us from here. Hopefully it can break through to the downside. Let's see if there's any news today. I don't think there was. Yeah, nothing for the US dollar. Housing starts. I don't think these are anything impactful, right? It doesn't have, it's not even an orange folder. Oh, that's Canada. Overall, it looks good, but I'm gonna still stick to the bias because obviously we had the breaker structure. We have lower lows and lower highs, so I'm gonna stick to what we have right there, and hopefully it can give it to us. Let me see here. Damn, I don't know why my iPhone storage is full. Pay for a fucking terabyte a month. Let me see here though. Hold on a second. So it looks like it can make its way back up there. So let's see if it truly does. See how it's making its way up there? We'll see right now if it does. We got about 6 minutes till open, so let's see. Johnny, whoever's on here, let me know if you agree with what you see. If what you see is what I see, so. So, I really don't want it to reach up there right now. I feel kind of obligated to enter the trade at this point. If it gets up there, right? If it gets into my zone, which essentially my zone is right here. If I'm just being honest, let's do it the right way. Be up to this point. It looks like it's headed in there. I might take the trade right here. If I'm just being honest, I might take the trade right here. See how it already rejected that zone? That's the 1 minute, that should be the 1 minute 50 EMA that it rejected right there, but let's see what it does. Still got about 4.5 minutes till open. Damn, no fucking way. There's still 4 minutes left till open, so let's see. Maybe we will get a retest back up there. Hopefully we do. Shit, that thing's pushing down now. No fucking way. Let's see the 1 minute actually. So there's the 1 minute 20 EMA. So you can essentially see it just came up in there and rejected the shit out of it. Didn't even touch it. Damn, I hope we see the retest right now. We'll see what it gives us. 5 minute 50 EMA, 15 minute 50 EMA. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully it goes back up there, because it's already about 20 pips below where I want it to be. So, oh man, I'd hate for that to be the trade right there, man. God damn it. Sheesh, but it's looking like that is. Wow. You know what's funny is well, it hasn't been happening a lot, but I want to say this is the third time that it's kind of did the trade before open, like, you know, reached where we were trying to go before open, rejected, and made its way down all before open. So hopefully it's not the same thing here. Got about a minute till open. Scare money don't make money. Let's go. Alright, let's see, man. Hopefully we could get a good push right here. Quick push to the upside, reject our zone, and come back with it. So let's see if it gets past this and at least reaches up to here before it rejects, right? Got about 20 seconds. So let's see if it gets up to this level, at least this one. But I want to see it make it up here, truthfully. See how it's somewhat rejecting that 20 EMA. I just put a sell in, just because I'm not sure. It could just reject right here. Put a small one in, so let's see. It doesn't look like it's pushing down on it quite so far right now. I'm still holding on to that one just because I feel really confident about these trades up here. Let me see. Alright, just put another sell in right now. Hopefully we see it fall right here. Alright, so I'm in here. Got my bottom position. Now let's see what we could do here. Hopefully it falls. It has to break through the 1 minute 50 EMA. Like that. See if it could stay down though. Alright, we're in business. Something about that area right there, damn. I just closed my bottom position that I had down here, so I got 0.05 essentially going right now. I'm gonna move my stops to break even now. Damn, still rejecting that area. Ah, I don't like that. Fuck. I was up a huge amount right now too. Pretty decent, over 250, and now I'm only up about $90. No way. This is our only hope right here. I'm still holding my positions up here, but this is the only hope right here. It has to reject this and come down. If not, it's going to push back up and stop us out. So hopefully it does. Wow. Stopped out my bottom positions. My bottom position. Stopped out my top position. Fuck, I was up 200 with that shit, man. Gotta see that. Might be heading to our top position now. So let's see. Damn, that was up a good amount right there, man. Might be heading to the golden zone again, so we'll see. That's the 15-minute 50 EMA that it just tapped. Wow, that's a big rejection. I just entered another sell. Let's see if it can see if it can finally shoot down and stay down. I like that. I got in a little bit higher. Now it's just a matter of time if it could stay down. It's really all it depends on at this point. I'm only up, let me see where I'm at. I'm up about 170 or 140 right now. Shit, that shit's rejected again. I mean, if it consolidates right here and continues to push up, I'm gonna be pissed. I was up about 200 again. Now I'm up about $60. Wow, that shit's really going back up there. Are you kidding me, dog? Wow. Trying to trust it, but I didn't move my stops to break even. Trying to trust that it'll fall down right here. Um, haven't moved. I mean, let's see. Wow. I feel like a fucking dumbass. So I'm in the negative right now. Um, Damn, man. Just don't know about this area. It seems like it's pushing up too much. So we'll see. We'll see if it shows us the love and respect we're looking for. Now we're in profit, but it's still respecting this, right? Respecting the 1 minute 50 EMA right here. You can see the love that's being shown here. We just wanted to finish bearish, but it doesn't look like it's going to do that. I'm still holding on. Barely in profit. Up about right here. I'm not up 20 pips. What am I up? I'm up about 10 pips. Let's see. See if it can break through this shit. If it does, I'll be a happy customer, but it has to go through the level first. I think now I'm going to move my stops to break even. I'm in at 905 and 911. I'm only up about, what, 20 pips, right? But this shit right here is what's really getting to me. We're not seeing it, we just keep seeing it reject this zone right here. This one right here, right? There's a bunch of rejections here. Got to see a breakthrough here. Hopefully this candle's the one to finish, you know, through here. But let's see. I'm in at 911 and 905. Still hasn't finished through it, right? There's 35 seconds left. It can easily reject this. So I would like to see it finish bullish or bearish like this, but finish that way. I don't want to see it wick out. So let's see if we can do that, and I think we'll be in business with that. So let's see. I like that. But you see it's still rejecting something right here. I don't understand what it is. I'm going to take some profits right now just to secure some profits. Pulled a 0.02 just to secure it. Moving my stops to break even. And remember, I had a bad, I traded last night for some dumbass reason, and I don't know why. But yeah. I'm going to secure some more dollars actually. Just because I don't like this area right here. So everything's moved to break even now. I'm down about $22 on the day now. I started the day down about $298, so 300 bucks down negative for the day. So now I'm down about 22. So let's see if we can make it happen. Move my stops to break even. Secured profits at what, 55 pips, and yeah, 55 pips. So Now let's see if it can do what we want it to do, hopefully. So now this level that was used as support, hopefully it's used as resistance right here and comes down. Just like that. Yo, Johnny, were you able to enter the trade right here? Oh, Bimbo. Yeah, man, hopefully, I don't know when, I didn't see the chat come in right here, but hopefully you're able to enter, up here. So, um, this is what I don't like though, are these rejections right here, but or this rejection from the bottom. Hopefully we see the rejection right here to come down like that, but we got to see it follow through, you know what I mean? We can't see it push up here and turn bullish, because then we're going to see it, there you go, Johnny. Then we're going to see if it does this, then, that's why I took some of the profits, but we'll see right here. I got my stops at break even, and we'll see what it does from this point. So I'm up about 40 pips right now, 30, 40 pips. Yeah, I'm up a little bit higher than that. My top position, I'm in at 911.20. So my top position, I closed these bottom ones are like right there. Wow. That shit really came all the way back up and stopped me out. I mean, damn. That's why I take some profit sometimes, dog. Shit. So I got stopped out, made $2 on my top position up here. Fuck. But I was able to get close to, I'm down about $20. I mean, let's see what it does here. It's already rejected the 15-minute 50 EMA. There's a lot of strength behind this push right here. Yeah, I don't know if I take that, like this trade right here. Something about this level right here. It's a big rejection again. Pretty huge rejection again. Wow. I don't like what I'm seeing right here. What is it doing? Like the 15-minute just finished, but yeah, you know what? I don't like this. I think it is going to the top, to that top ILC now. Hasn't touched it yet, right? Huh. Still rejecting that 15-minute 50 EMA. Hmm. Thinking about entering again, but fuck it, I just entered again. Stop loss is going to be just above the wicks. Hopefully it stays down right here, because if it doesn't, then I don't like the trade. But oh, okay. I'm in right here, at 909 and 915, so I should rejected it, huh? Let's see if it does. See what it did here is it's using the damn, fuck that. I didn't really like the trade, and now that I'm in it, I feel like I'm gonna just take a loss for no reason. Hold on 1 second. What's up, Ben? Hello? What? I'll go pee. Like I said, I'm in right here. I'm down on the pips, not a lot, but I'm down. Let's see if it can go our way. Shit. There's a lot of exhaustion, but let's see if it can stay down. Nah, doesn't look like it. Fuck. Should have exited those trades. Shit, that shit got me. I only have 0.02s in there, but still. I'm still holding on to these positions right here, just because I trust. Now it would suck. Okay, it touched it. I think I'm gonna enter. I just entered right now my sell. I put a bigger lot size in there. Hopefully we can see it fall from here and you know, make its way down. I'm in at a 41. Like that. Let's see if it could fall the way that we want it to, though. We don't want it to bounce off of this 15-minute 50 EMA. We want it to just continue to come down. See how it's kind of using it as support right here? Resistance, resistance, support. Let's see if it can just stay down. Let me see. I mean, this is it. We're in the trade now, so I mean, hopefully it stays down. Don't want to see a push like that at all. But it's happening early in the candle, so hopefully it falls right here towards the end of the candle. See if don't like that. Last 11 seconds. It's finishing too bullish for me right there. We farting over here. It doesn't look like it's staying down, but I mean, we're in this bitch now, so let's see. This trade I'm giving up. See if it goes our way. That's the biggest thing, is if it's gonna go our way. Fuck. I think it's a sell-off, but I mean, price is showing us otherwise, which I don't like. Hopefully it falls and turns bearish right here. Just turn bearish. That's what we need. This thing to turn bearish. Damn it. I'm tired still. Wow. That shit flew up there. Well, if it hits my stop loss, I'm done for the day, so we'll see. Pretty fucking close. Got pretty close. I guess I had mine a little bit on top right there. Damn, man. I'm down about 400 right now, so sheesh. Yeah, stop me out. Damn, I'm pissed. Well, just gotta call it there, so it's those two bottom positions that fucked me up, essentially. Two bottom positions that I entered really hurt me on the simple fact that, what do you call it? Entering those and not exiting when I knew I should have. Even if I'd taken a $30, $40 loss, it would have been a lot better than where I'm at now. So, Wait. Damn, I can't believe I fucking took that out today. Damn it. Well, is what it is. Took a $400 L. Got to get better on that. And, you know, I was really just trying to trust the trade, trust that it was a breaker structure to the downside, which it was, but the one thing I got to listen to is this right here. This area told me, nah, price is price is pushing up, right? After it didn't break through here, it just showed that price wasn't pushing up or wasn't coming down. What I was trying to do, what I essentially was saying right here was once I seen price break below this low, I thought for sure price was going to stay down even if it pushed back up here. So that's why I still had hope that, you know, we'd see the same thing. We just continue to push down. But, you know, I got to look at the wick. So if you go to the 5 minute, it's pretty obvious when you have all these candles right here. When you have price doing this right here, fully engulfing this, I got to look at the big picture, using these EMAs as a push-off point. All of this was pointing in the direction up. So I tried trusting the trade, tried trusting where I was at with everything, but you know, it just is what it is at that point. So can't do much about that in terms of today now, but tomorrow I got to make sure that I do a better job of looking at what price is showing us here, because this was the key right here. All these rejections and finishes, this was the key. That's where I had to be looking. So yeah, and I think it's just going to keep going up from what it looks like. I don't think it's going to fall anytime soon. It's in a key 1 hour ILC, but I don't know if I trust it to fall right here. Because now, I mean, I guess technically it did break structure to the downside. So, yeah. I mean, to the upside, so I don't know. I wouldn't put in sales here if I were you guys. And the crazy part is, you know, I was up 2 something here, high 200s here, high 200s here, pulled some profits, but, you know, didn't really just take it. I should have listened to it once it was down here and it kept pushing up. There's no reason to keep putting in sales. Even though I was trying to trust my bias, there's no reason to keep putting in sales here and taking the L's that I was taking. You know, there's no reason for that. So was down 300 today, then lost it. Like, shit, man. Give me a fucking break. But just got to take the L for what it is. Terrible day for me in terms of management, money management, control, all that stuff. It was just a terrible day for me. So I got to understand that, get better at it, and that's it, man. Just got to get better. So got to take that one on the chin, and we'll see what happens. And that's one of the key reasons why I'd like to move my stops to break even, just because I know price is it's volatile like that, and you got to see it like that. So got to learn from this one for sure. Definitely the one that I got to learn from and be better off of this shit, because can't be taking big losses like that, trying to trust the trade. I'd say the biggest mistake I made today was keeping these small trades in here, these this 1.02 in here, because that adds up when you're all the way the fuck up here. you know. So that was essentially like a 100 pip trade, right? And you can't do that. So that's my fault. I got to learn from it. I got to get better from it. And that's it, man. That is it. Looks like prices. And truthfully, break a structure, good trades. I just didn't have good money management on it today. Because I do think these were good trades. Everything was on point. The only thing that wasn't on point is price was, maybe it reacted off that news that they had today, which was, what was it? That's the 18th. Which was these building permits. That's the only thing I could think. But let's see. Because I think overall it was a good trade, truthfully. Now that now looking at it, I just didn't manage my money right, and that's the biggest thing you got to do here is manage your money right. So I guess you just live and you learn from this shit. Guess you just live and you learn. Damn, it's the worst shit when you're up. Because I don't always hear it. I just heard Q Bangs here, one of those, $100,000 traders talking about how they, if you don't take profits from the market will take profits from you. So they ain't lying. It really does work like that. Taking a $30 loss is better than taking a $400 loss. You know what I mean? So I got to get better at that for sure. Should have just taken those small losses. That would have added up to like a $170 loss for the day instead of a $400 loss for the day, $500 loss for the day. So little shit that I got to get better at, little shit that I need to work on as a trader. But you live and you learn, you take what you did, and that's about it. So I'm going to hop off before I keep trading, and because I like what I see right here, but I got to hop off before I keep trading. So yes, sir. We'll see you, Johnny. We'll see you, Bimbo, and we'll get it from there. That was a good call because it did drop from the 15-minute, well, it didn't drop, it ran through the 15-minute ILC, but it's, I think price is just doing its thing on its own right now, truthfully. I don't think it was anything in particular because I think the market was in our favor. It just didn't work in our favor. So something made this push up right here. Something made the push. So we'll see what it is and we'll go from there. Have a good one, y'all.